It's fucking raining, motherfuckers. We're fucking kayaking. Fucking river's kicking. Let's go! Look at this river today, everybody. Woo, this baby is kicking. Look at it. Look at that. Wow. Let's go, baby. Let's go. River adventures, baby! Yeah! Woo! Look at this river today, guys. It is kicking. Wow. Joe, look at these currents, dude. This water's fucking kicking today, my man. Here comes the rain. What an amazing day here in Lowellville. This is incredible. The water is very strong today, but we gotta be stronger. Let's go.